Good evening, viewers of Golden TV. Thank you for logging in. We love you so much. Today it's me again, presenter Amy, together with
Wizzy Official.
Wizzy Official.
And you can call me Bro Tom Sonic.
You've heard him.
I can say that this is a very and it has Losorere and Nyungwema Zakoi and Madia Madima.
Oh, with Zako and
Lady Mercy.
And Lady Mercy. Today we really have an exciting topic we're going to talk about. It's so exciting and it's so nice. So today we're going to talk about poverty. I hope all of you are ready.
Yes, we are.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, we're going to look at poverty. Let's get back after a short break.
Yeah.
Bado mara lore baribia azane bani o mabandi ya bigende pe bado liti ngenda india jota digan sayo inda atazikikin duga ni bale ko ile ako so madu pinye kenda manyema le chodo male diga so manzo posi bado mazi bonzi bado man kizadera
ai baba na niko o baba na ndakora ngene rama bengena zema na ngendo made zisema ngene ra ngorwa
tenzera kutsanga de man
ngorwa ya bana ngorwa Ese sama la ngendo ba yo video ba be dele mi sona igba nyera tani mami hande tire dai
Father, King of glory,
Okay, we'll be back from that short advert. That was Irresponsible Husband, our first episode. Now you guys should be yearning for the second video, which is going to be about child abuse. That is episode 2. In that advert, it is loading. We'll be back. I hope all of you guys are ready.
Yes,
are you all ready?
Yes, we are.
We are? Okay. We're going to talk about poverty. Zako, what's up?
And there's nothing about poverty. Poverty is very good.
It is an exciting topic, okay? Some people there that are watching and they want to know how they can uplift their lives from the conditions they're in. So I believe all of us are ready to help our community. So we're going to look at poverty, and I think I'm going to start.
Before start, I want to just clarify the basics that were mother tongue. Okay.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
I think you should help us.
Our grandmas and grandpas.
Okay, it's fine. You can go ahead.
Yeah, alu eribatiga se ortere amvoti presenter emi dise emi orikabanta dibenze alu eritanenzele enro ta balem teremeza badiriga ade bade tajodi ruongo kale cheji bani community nigongo role funore yongo kwesam resort balo bakaba family nendru family badiri ya seta kone de eji jopi onguru ta kone ado tayai arusa na onzonzi na na losone ado ongo baki ndo engo kimandraga arusi losona yo tabale meza dire mangwaidi ane tako yejika yeji aleti ovingo nirisi tako ejikane everybody tisi ta studio teji kale lady ojo ko jo bane ko ase tadi duka ngwe duka na pibane ado gase badri lady gase familia gase kursa majua familia ne pe ani lidiga because as if ta kon kenga nyidisi jonyi focus ko ko ta kongo raji duru to ka ngwe familia ga ta kone yega neta diaruba kobakata amata discuss diore ongo kola insa aruse ma inyidiri nsonya binoga nyarani diri kemke okoro ngone ne nyem comment gase nyizinde sara insa nze type sewa anzo pose
Thank you so much. Tako. That's what I've got. Tako. Okay. You're very good in Madi. If I can appreciate that all day, you're really good in Madi. Keep it up. You are. Wait, your madam is watching.
My madam is watching. Baby, please, sorry.
She's very proud of you.
Yeah, it's very anzoga.
Yeah. So it is poverty. Okay. Before I give all of you guys opportunity, you know this is a condition where you cannot. I'm actually describing for you what I know poverty is. Poverty is this condition whereby you cannot help yourself. You can't satisfy yourself with your survival and essential basic needs. You can't provide food. You can't provide shelter to yourself. That is a state of poverty where you're so miserable. Okay? So, once and again, I'd like to start with you, Promoter Wheezy, because you look so excited today and you look stunning. You look good.
Sama kalau gara. Okay, yang tadi presenter Emily. Igena. Masih yang gue bado topik ile nzika si. Bado community ase. Bado otene diri. Dia usi to badi yega si titiba. Ote usi jo titi da jo yusu kolo gora fasa. Tene da imi ndendare ne. So
yeah,
okay. So majo otene usi to badi ko si gora fo badi yega si chini. Yeswa yega si na fuba nyindi swa parency barusi. Kon yabote ana digetayo. Sitene sule gando yeswa nkana alternative dodo wanana. Kebe rapa. Inda zoda nyirira mvulera nyira nyimvua nyiramvu site suiba esuka nyiko banye mbadu padige wanasa ko eyo taziko bakanya ti kanya liti do gawa do ware ko eyo so mesu talidi obani bani engujo ote tako ambamba talidi obani onguzinare ovi leti sukuru diga so odu bani badidi alele site badirega o jemfongani yisu adu yo practical yo maka theory da so nyi munyitela nyi indi campus ga nyitela ni degree la do nyitala nzamba mba nyatanya wara ganena ijuti ke chaka do rito adu aga sandu aga so majwa yesu badidi adu kolo are practical ability kolo a koba ifo badi tala character employer do attented do ban region gawa so lady malo banire.
Okay. Thank you so much, Promoter Wheezy.
Okay.
So what you've clarified is alcoholism and unemployment as a source of poverty, as a cause of poverty.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I respect you. I don't have any questions for you because you've been.
For me, I have questions.
Okay.
Yeah, I have questions. You need tayore roko kata ta ochedi ani kapeto badi ya wafoni digase ndole anare okorleti fondi to iyo practical oroka badi yose practical nya lere ngo because bonzi badi yangu ze country still bati ya kaitela country still bati ya practical ngo engwiki oroki badi community gase echo ile dirane koro engwiki alwari ani practical nya jolere yani practical of ingore nya le baka apply
okay
no bana du pick apply ngo bana mvotisa ka apply wa ninze ko na rocha do ane ko na batier jotwe
banda du pisako panza pasinya zile zikamani se so majoni vukangwa ritiko mata within badi region there dekari yo ko juni duni jojo duni badi okay the whole of our country we don't have practical but they are theory okay jongu ni site stiga yesu na are na theory practical sa so that's why majolene jonyi mubati delele of video ninga nyimu countries ga video okay jonga im countries ga anyi latara wo ni degree takuti ari ni dia ninga im countries ga nyebudekwe karu stiga aro udaro department ziga
obviously. Okay, merda tanyo ye kwa
pizako ni lemo yota nane ni so amadis adu bani adu ndistikata langwe ke tadia
obviously rere badi dia
of video nyinga dia of video badi ni mu Uganda nyangwe dia tasbati ne buwa nare dia adu na yo ongo zbati si creativity nya digesa holo yo nyala tarasa nya tadia ansa tanana ke gonya digedi ni te create nya ngasi ni dadi ni dakwe that's what me tanan nyausi
okay mzeko kana bana mvoti yere kwena gabra ongo bana du kisere kwena gabra lete wo fo indi batiga si musée sere kwena rakende kondera ni moja musée anzo kwa singine.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. That was their interaction and I hope you've been tuned. And I'm thinking of the next person to speak and bro, I don't want to speak the other name because I don't want to bite my tongue. I don't want to laugh at me.
It's no problem.
So it's now up to you. What do you want our viewers to know?
Okay, presenter Emily. Mwanzo ngerasa alikweka manisi
agbado topic ni nyinde donani peler na unze ani kata ikonye badi community agasa ongoro Yesu an sakaba stiali de doa to ba andagara so manzora bado do yinde ni words yule kwere na do tuya poverty dide ani bado Yesu an community agasi badi region gari and too much to yinde ne sala kolo badi dia ko sa outside ga poverty in everywhere so do yinde ni causes of the poverty dia aninza aloni mala majuta unemployment opportunity to kusanye nyangasi tazinyini dele yo ni baruna ni community aledia tazinyini dele yo so nyolo nya besi nani ni so nyolo nya nani ni create tazinyini nyangasi ko besi ndi ya lere nyolo besi fa kende ye dikerani nani so na letiz ya lo ovi ni so poverty ne ansa bucket ya do badu baru sere adusu ko because nyolo nya tazinyini dele yo ni di tarugarene tanya expectar ke den tane.
Okay, so what you're trying to say is people sit on knowledge.
Yeah.
People sit on knowledge, and that is making them unemployed.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay.
Because you are just sitting there, you are not having anything. You don't want to make some creativity for yourself.
It is okay. The viewers out there listening and they're saying so. That should be a very strong point. You sit on knowledge. Please don't sit on your knowledge. You can go ahead.
So, mala menyo tazinariansa ovi Yesu atazimuditi skojo a lack of access to capital. Lady taziansa alona Yesu obeke community agasi bani ufu agasi bana voti yesi ya. Yesu tazijole lack of access nini tazinyede akasi tiazi temana nyini badi community agasi yo. So lady gare si nyinde poverty ke kunyidi yega adus kongo den vo poverty ni tazimadiza lalan ko takona yoba angwena insanya lalare banyolo di diani nyinde tazibati aruga tido hile nyolo di diani na nyinya di tarugo ngoro nyimu taz tui dere ni community ga to ko sanya ni banya family ni e ko nzo kwani so ko la yin sanyi bitazi ni dele gandowa mani rasa zigaba ko jo leti ovie wa vi fonyi dise ya ani tui fonyi la pelere Yesu anyangwi baru da sabanza ngwena talakare ngwi baru kido nyangwi baru tazinyi denye ni nyanga siko you did nothing. Okay, you did nothing because tanyi lara impact you jeganara ke giving out. Now you are not giving out.
Yeah, you're not sharing.
You are not sharing. So Yesu do tayili ni senya bastito Yesu bado kya banya kanyini tazino si generator ko sakanyini batazi nyale diga kengwi kanyi konyera ko ba leje ku poverty ni de do sa ta ko ni boko do ba di community ga spe karane bado Yesu a leti ofizi alona bado wani ufua do ko sa ba di community ga si maka Yesu ka ta ko ejide Yesu a munu te yole lack of access to capital Yesu le mata yo dierule dia bado do yenda ni badi community ga dia si roba yufua do ko sa bana mboti de general ma jo yufua nale so nyinde do ni bado ba bari akwichi ba fungera badi community as ba fungera do fuyi ri be lara na imagine madizi no si do ko sa kikosine fo ikosine azia no si de ngwi baru leti wa vi aloeri school fees dise esu dia madi di kola kolo na ani kore Yesu madi di kolo baru vadi no senior fora dani idol ki Yesu alo bado capital alo ka yose Yesu madi di ko ba tana lele ani kidere ko mai delepe ma munzare Yesu bado do yenda ne ba mana adupi do ko sambu tiangwe baru ne Yesu li di kolo la kokpo Yesu robia kolo la kayo taziana lele ani kidere ga bado Yesu le ki kauna sa alo kosis ni Yesu kabani ta ko ejibandi familia gare ado sku Yesu madi di idea na ana len kideta dini ana len kideta dini die no solen komunazin kos ga dia do sa computer kos ga Yesu da city do luka yo si Yesu ansa kabana ko bana knowledge na kolo tana len na kolo boruna ke mo le madio banere to nyi barago nyi zangwa nyangwele dia ni ko sine fonda do sa nyi ko nya sine aziara nyi ko nya university ra ni baru kole anya parents to nyo bindele di ga kenyin leti overi alo eri providing one badon dejo niwe ujele di apply jo bani community ga house ni kado ta akodi do ba di community ga sipe so manzo manzora male mumete jo dierunzara di male mampale dia manzora Emily.
It's okay. Thank you so much. I
Sorry.
know you're used to calling me that.
Yeah,
I know. It is okay. It has no problem. I am Emily. I'm still the same. Some call me Emily. Some call me presenter Emmy. So whatever it is sweet. I take it. Okay. Thank you so much. And I'm coming to this side, to my side. I'm seeing Lady Mercy's here. I'm seeing Zako. He's also looking gorgeous. So, what I want to say is, I just want to appreciate all of you for being here today. You know, poverty is a very big thing. It's a very big and broad thing. But today, you're going to help somebody there, I believe. You're going to help someone out there. So now to this side, I think I'll start with my beautiful Lady Mercy. Today, ladies first. Zako. I'm starting with Lady Mercy. Okay.
One.
Sis, you still have only one.
So far he stayed for 4 years.
This thing we do with the plan, eh? You had
let me not question your decision.
Family planning, sir.
I beg.
Enjoy what? Let's continue with something.
Please, I
We are
beg.
not for enjoying.
Okay. So, Lady Mercy,
Yes.
I think you should speak to some people out there because some sweet souls are waiting for what you're going to tell them.
Okay. Thank you so much, Presenter Emily.
Okay, presenter Emmy.
Gari zayendene tando amabameza digade to porere okoba community agasi madia la nyisanye merere okonyirare gari zayende poverty nene longozi wako opero banga nyinzi ya makuruti ne pena tua poverty ke kwina asanya asado itandi ngidi nai na sa poverty ninya supe ya inya sabuni jekpe ya ninya Johnny rendo kwepe ya na tua kwa kwela kana disidoki point memale majota diary ani over dependent nani like how they say in Madi like Madi sa you are
This guy here, this
Madi
guy.
really help me
My dictionary.
My dictionary is a difference.
It's okay.
Little virus is there anymore.
Okay.
Let me clarify that one's the Madi. Goalkeeper. Tazibako jamaiti si tatete. Tekanye tatete.
Marikono.
No, Marikono.
It's really not a lot of people.
Zaenda ni familia alo agasi was now baruke goalkeeper duna dia Marikono mungu yakwe
You had.
as long as nyarera was goalkeeper duna nyeswa familia agasi like extended families banja grandmother aunties uncles nati family goro nati nyeswa arusi madia lo ke widane unko madia lo ka do idane kaninya ya sabuni nya don ninya ga sabuni ga ta iya janyi je family ganyi na daso nyende na it leads to over dependent unko kama din ongo it also leads to poverty joined over dependent na madia lere nyi focus madia lo ruga lere ninya nera do nera daso kama din ngwi vuru mori na kolu vuru disido joined ne bad family ga sin zonzia bonzia gosa nyi sangwa nyi reladia nyake mutimbiaro saya nyi mutsaya usore kwa dosia burusiri ko la ko buyundule anyi riao nyamba ke always say ledo jenyini ta ado nizia baba mala ado nyi bar nyanga sinita no ndupe nyake mutimbi enda ni te family agasi ko ongo band relationship agasi nyi sangwa nyi tateleri nya barago disi goalkeeper ungu ado
Marikono
moya Marikono ba nyisa kwa nyile ado ne city nyizia baragoga nyile ado baragoga ta pua nyiti barago nyebu ado nya dile boka ina ado ne nyimu charani ni re kwa ado si charani birisi ya to sore disinai futa tino nyiswanya zia nyisite sumampoti ori nya ruboka intalenda balo alo madia alo ruboka la talenda tazinya rusinyida perfect na jo sukuru nya family manyo kwa la kakpe kola nyimu tazinyida plan A is there, plan B is there nyimu either biga nyida tarusiwa sai nya didi nyi tai so nyindiere customer ni wo vuru but sakan sirara yo nyiti na ko chi adika nyadani as long as you earning money ebusi mariske danye ko ebu lo ndisa you should ebu ndi mechanics na tia ya ndisa still they earn good money, clean money. De sudako nya talent net of vuruko kosa nye baragoya piki ba zidina kosa leza ambu soka anyi bule do riadse ni acho do ni mambu rere ni ta so madis ni alueri na njo e kaditi alueri na de alifu mudi na yesu siti koro ozanya rikabaru nara disudoka akebeta adi dependo oloka goalkeeper do madi alon digana akebera ongo mala majota like harvest di gender is team
okay tapataka
harvest tapataka yesu ni like nyata sara ada nya vest ya ganga nya vest lena nya tia baru ada mostly ago nya go nyizini ta aruna du musu promoter wizi ya jomanira iramvukadi nyila nyidu anya ganga da zile toga batikola ya kikonyi family ba chirito nyidwa nyijia nyazia pi ni poverty konado
kazi yangu ibo siti tasariga ko
iyo ko pi nyi sit na mvupi na sit na gose su nyi banyo ko yabati skurga kako lo madiandari na sikolo president ya
lady masinya tige kazi ko male mejo tas lady ya me kwite dia pan kengwe tas lo sore do mnyini pana du lege engwe jole titero atazi amvuti orkata jodiore jo office toro ko ka amvudiriga nyi so amvunya sore so amvupelere o isora tadia pan nyatra pana zoga ndazo nyatra pana zoga oba kweti amanye nyanya iko ongura amanya zia nyumvu iko tare ole nyi de tare ditiri nyatra pana lete nyazi ongonye ba eroga wesangi tazi udiri dodru ta ko de yikan because nyata na sokane le ta ko yika ongo amate nyita nyanya ku because batiri sa ole fonyira na ba erwa so ole titare bati zo nyatra pana kara logere lo kuruta de nyisite na nyazira nyi rivuru madam titongone anga madam ta de derba te derta de te akenya de se de ta ziri banere de ta meza diri anyi ba de ongo arusi kola anyi ndrasiti de anyi anya pana emungo na anyi ba ngone de kokota ngoga de kokota ngogongo anyine engwezo letiewa edediriga ngo kwesata edozo nyini tazido zota na tido andaga ta ko de nyedu awane te di batiga or kata yote batiga kola aruse zo nyata nyezi ko sa nyata nyendre ta de oira se ama nyidunya zisitina nyumvumvu iko lady tazi or kata jo arura lwere amal meja anare lady ya nyati andaga wamvoti
ayanza kwasi promoter zako nyata tade aikwika rasi aya ngumana majori mata joy wa mori diga mori
credit
credit debts nyesi ta inza kanya kinyandera bado nyimo banga like for example nyimo banga ni loan edura ungulo ni edule na like loan jobanga nyimuraba adi ngini ta assets na nyusiana or at the grantees at the end donye masiti na collect they will come and collect that thing danyi dinyi sita ikanya kinyandera si at the end ade adotao yidina safaria onado desko baba ko ruji sape nyirudi pia de enyi dinyanga sipe asani siti nyedule na onde nyakira nzada kunyoko ya penya zia dinya dinazia tano kwa joy disidu moria ika kaba ili to poverty kosa imuso kwa gari nyita obuna sadi disenita mori gara hadi loan tibani amori se lere mori nyimu ampuga so tasore kwa dose lere ta ika ba nyando nje bana ndaga nyado you start beating around the bush robango jode ni buku aga chapter deni kese muta ireba promoter wise yeah there kakimende they come they start beating jogbare mori
wata idor
wati ida kabili to poverty
tanenya iyarenyi ba letianda gako because on rene sitia ika bangana nonzeko ango sitia ika sako gana nonzeko kinzanya ire kola nyebu engone leti nyebu zo nyebu letianda sebu kogako ebu tastira diga kokola nyebu tazi tare medu adere kama ne benefit ire zia ngoma arusi adute ta mesule de kwa moria tingwewa because zonyu moria ko for that anyi bu asiti nyesiti bu koga na ojo malaya ga nyebu amala ganyi siti nebuna ragase erati ngobati nyeba tare mudir mudisu anyera nya winya pati yangu kwa sha nye ya baizi alo gala jega na bati na because nyibu siti neleti wanda archeku da ko rukengu ta ko gane tarbati ba nyidi garo arshade mu ale trakhweti vonyata ebele kwa sha gangora loiri anyusa nyombaro de bati glega nyabatirike mko benefit do wangon bati ade ngba yo tepe trape ogwo duo penya digas because the morinya kolere agara ndereke lady ta mvuto ketejo arusere amajo anzoko senyene
yesedo ma iya nyidire like we should also form groups join in group kabe konyi nchada ko like kovo bang rasai group anye small like easier okwe moja lueri na so nya site be nya kalulu nya zinya taganga dora nya sit na bena karobe at the end nya barango ko skuru gawa ko satazi nya business ganga do edawa group gana nya sita iwa nya ijo sit nya business au at the end you turn with the interest nani ta group. So with this ma iya nyidire aki form groups kabane mostly with our parents they come make on ncha kolotas la ka ku kwebati bani bachi school ga. With this I beg to stop here. Let's poverty.
Okay, present
I can do poverty.
Zonyendre amvoti nene alo kurujo so nene mandraga osomvo kagwende diao kata di ngwiri ne ko ba bane bonjiti onguru andra garbati se do bana ficha ne ko lo ngone vubadi regai ongo vubadi ko tingone ya tedi ane anzo koze amaja manzora tendre dangi da duma kene pima present akima present akoma samada alu ribati tajore amadi amale mamungba director atazima majwa batiga ko tangwire moderator diko sae atazi tijore ba kondrele digare ta alueri joko kepa badi ewa oche igiraga oche because to oche di ojo kareane tazike kwenya zozo no so pe ira o so panya suru agar igika no po kolo sitane sa nye andra bezer kasta no do lerise lering bayre wiki disanjo tara tade de tare ani tazio pongorere madri male mama jo tare mata jo okorum wandrole na ni politics yandede ni politics yane ni baba di ba se de siesa se de anyi ba siesa ba de mata jonzane majo ko ya anyi dise onguru anyi ba okumaga bale ko mudi ka se ki ba ne vudidi global community gasi bari karega se baka tiengo ne tare mata jo anyi di majo anyidri joko nyira ni doengo ne bani bani dire doengo ne joko nyikuru kola nyidu idea nye sulere nya digere kola nya pura engo ne bani dire ne because tazinya balere alo sikwe tare nyi deane imba andragane baba driba tibanya baleritia nyiraga ta kwazi because badi aloke manifestos alo tajwa manifesto re anake mutana like deri male bak mi deri ni de anyiku aniranye de ana amase ongo amata ni ba mai ni de jorusiwa atazi majuari zonye badizi on resor bane vuga obi sor bane vu badi so sudane vu badi so sudane anolode ni ko onguru anolode ni ko ni adosi ru politics yare edi taribati ade bakenya ibane andragabai ta kono ru jobadi vuganza ni ro basi esa diri ade tane babai ba ni adosi ni siasa ga yara lo kru siasa ni tikia tanya lenye der ko la nya chief kenya chief ri ka affecte ama ba nya salaire ko John Reneda basi esa diri hans basi esa diri etoro kake ade down suru de etia suru de to jeti suru ka rongba da joka erongba kare na gana taziko la kideki ta visa amvu soka ningo ni bati anyi tarbati dekpe kare anyi diga anyi ta dekpe data zanyi da pera do anyi tauto taisare anyu teo dazo taisare bu teo taisare di ko baba ko mbakpe ongur ta ko eja bari sirpe ko ba ali rado pa ko lu vuru jobo lu vuru ba ko jo a region den re a ita ko so si ondeni linia ko so ondeni because linia ko na nga ngo se nga idrisiku enga roba siesa driba tigase because bana target ni all etazina tango ba dele de kabane anirao ongo kabani zoti ni rao tanyi dere e data ocha lele ke kitanzo community na rekere aidane ide ako jotade ni de adenere voba driba ke yengon ta ko gase da zonyi di ni ba di siesa dri tanyi di nya bale lidegare nya ora tagarare bari ke chiru nya tiba de tro kongba ero ndazo ka ero ngba ka eru dia ila fogase tanya lelere nyonse ilo kendre le atika rongba a ayese tikozo ba vuru da nya itika sa idiri du ala lo kan idiri pe because da pa nya tilere idiri nyolu kareziga nyiri lolu amara azoya jovu ingo idiri bra ba nyidiri ke safa ko yolo ta kwa jonyi badi ta jodi sesa diri ko la nyolo ingone ikreti oja ko ikreti letima ko zoba ka sesa jore sesa gaba ko ta jore ojo ta sterba tio tabako ba ke da warde jobo ta sirba ke ta de ra jo anvuse nya ba nya feso ni anvuse jo agriculture se abana agriculture ko tu warta dense ta den de ba ko la ba ke de joba ide ta nda ta ni kale chodene onguru jo sesa la fuga baka siesa bar ba tuka ta jombiri ba ki jo education system ba ko luvru bana batirne adi 0 siesa gar ba ti wana batirne adi 0 lolu ongoze jo batir ba ti lolu batirne ba ti 0 lo se sitile nya lele a kemu ko kota vu anyi di negare e da ko se skuru e yo senior ba ti baka sete ba ti ngba corruption jo corruption ya lo ronzo e kwinza lonzo ekwe ya lo se lonzo ke kwe badri vugane ro anguna okoro siesa bari bati ongoro bale baro ambadro a okumari bati talele kokoka kare de gare be bukare na gako bake buata zimbiri ne je butari bati ta zimbiri ne karo te tibale de niga vu badri ko luvuru education system ko luvuru education system ko luvuru bana bateri ka testi ado rasa sipe kola itarasa a uzia elolu vuangwe bati di kengwe kini ta yala kaya pola pe badri because kaya pola pe badri adu di yo masini ni bati baki buede wani yo masini buler bati ongoro tar bati baki dere a bora diga koro ban fruit of legar calling on dazo to bati dene bakengwe andako o jako de a joja nza bani that's around the station badiri a bani vuga e sort of vebe koro bako ja vebe raki mat dra vebe koro because if ke wira ba di ko alcohol freedom ga kana mvu sowa jo so mvu ngo leti ko lo wa leti ko mbi batia ko ka te du andri anya ta na so na ke dia ta uniga leti wa transport diga a bakata de di arabia do ka tie la ga sindre e tsande ba leti ga seko won ba leti ga seko u di ba leti ga seko ro amba sesa di bakata de debai jojo tarako lo bako basi ta majole rami dede ane ki avu dia ko jonyu dia va ba ko lo le tsande ga onguru ba ko lo le rolo ta ko aga onde ni badri voga ojo telere voba driba so sudan ni joba ni ba compare pe ba di tanza ba ko baba ni aba ko lo ta ko aga ko hani ba di batijewa halo jodu regions halo batini regions tiga bazika titamba bazika taso so factory oui factory wile bati edzi project factory usi factories project atidi bati kolbari karega se a bakata de bati de bonje bati bati ta ela le sai goiko ta iya lalai factory oh nda telere bacir badi zeko ta lalai factory ki factory kengwe lejo jotar ba tiko le ba kotra siro o amba se sadire ba kedzi ora tanzer cer ibane vuga ongor do bonzi ba di batikati de loso ba yo lore te vuleko ta ko do ba ke iya ba di vuga sepe because ba di access nzase a lady tazigadro male medio lere.
Okay, I will not add anything. Let's go out for a short break and be back.
Izi madia kwa hizo tutorial ama ya make city baruto amala mecha mana pi mala so ndatina mi design mazi ni basa ando ndo kama ngaka kaya gare
sang mai di ngbato
kaya
kaya enso su dia do
tanah bana ndaka dia minan jujuro kanda ide tire ado gare de madia do ga yang bahasa atani ke gede
de kata di meji kata di
maranya Javri dina
Javri ko kata
ada semua di mana kata di
isi rolanya ruka do adik bai
madu isi rol ko sema lidi do
dau zek bai isi ne banyu cengo dua baru dope ko arose
madu isi rol ma kan seti madia ko
seti le bu
adi tu avo modo erna ma seti madia seti maruga de ogade seti ogade madu seti ogade
Bambu bacer ne oke adoko. Oke bacer ko ni ko.
Mata ke bacer ma gediga.
Benzina pe.
Izin kaka and ma dosi bonus pero.
Izin ro dope.
Ma dan bonus pe. Kira le kamas gue ke. Kira dia banget to ba.
O sasa jenera.
Baru dua di kabadi ba?
Bar kabadi wa.
Malu mana ini Abraham di bule.
Di bane bu. On dera ko.
Ma daleko. Malu aseti la de spenare
ska ko. Sura. Mvu. Izino dope na
sitande sulera ni mvua kuti
ngbango bu adi kota telkom
ani izi ma dope ongwa yata.
We'll be back from that short advert. We've been looking at poverty. One of the causes, we also have ignorance. Okay, we have ignorance among people. Some of us, after we go to school, we graduate, we come home, we are ignorant. We think jobs are going to fall from heaven and come on our tables. We don't search for ways out. Another thing is poor stewardship. Listen, our viewers, if you're rich, if you're well off, if you have money, your brother is very poor, cannot even afford a cloth, they cannot even afford for a room. Why don't you share? Why don't you invest in career groups and stuff? Some rich people want to remain rich. They want to die with their money. And because you're sitting on your money, you don't want to share with somebody who has an idea to start up a business. You're increasing poverty for them. And at the end of it all, you're going to die. Actually, you're going to die rich because you're selfish. And that is poor stewardship. Being selfish, that is it. So all I can say ways we can reduce poverty, since all of you have spoken with your only views, all I can say is I urge the government to open up, vocational schools, because I believe nowadays people are dropping out of school due to lack of school fees, and this poverty is very high. Open up vocational schools and you're going to improve. You're going to provide employment opportunities to those that have skills. You're going to provide education. Somebody's going to earn a skill. You're solving two issues at a go. You're providing one with a skill, you're giving another one a job. You're going to give the government a source of revenue. You see? We can eradicate poverty in that simple way. And also, agriculture. Our youth are very, very, very ignorant about agriculture. But let me tell you, agriculture is very sweet. You have your piece of land. If you cannot construct, you get seeds. Cultivate your land. You get your yields and you sell. Once you sell, you're going to get what? Money. Will you be poor again?
No.
You won't be poor again. And also, on the way I've noticed in South Sudan here, we don't usually have this, many circles and stuff like that. Well, I urge people to form circles and groups. It is really very good. Like the way Mercy spoke, you form a group like these women. I really love the women because they are the ones who have that mind of creating these small saving groups. And with that, they are really helping themselves. What about the men? Are you going to sit and say my woman is having a group? You also form your own group and what?
Men's
And
group.
yeah, you form. Listen, these groups are multiple. You can have partnership groups and stuff like that. With that way, we can eradicate poverty. And the government, please, you help us. Help us. This is a cry. Nowadays, we are soon heading for the, is it elections?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do not promise things that are not going to help. If you promise to give us hose, you give us hose. We know we shall get the use of the hose. If you promise to provide us with tractors, you do so. Tell me what I know about South Sudan. South Sudan, if our youth are not ignorant, if they're not ignorant, by now we would not be suffering about this drought issue. What is bringing the harsh weather conditions that are leading to poverty? We are always in the hot sun. What are we doing to help change that? This hot sun is hindering us from taking part in other activities. I'm sure there are other activities that can
Burning
contribute.
charcoal.
See, we
We
are
cut down
burning
trees.
charcoal. We are cutting down trees. And those same trees are the same trees that do what? That help us in rainfall formation. You see?
Yeah.
And we can also carry out irrigation farming. The government, if you're seated, I don't know whether we have, is it Minister or Ministry of Agriculture? I don't know if we have. But you should be implementive. Agriculture is a big effect. Once we just try it out, trust me, we are going to eradicate poverty. Because once you open up a farm, you're going to provide jobs for people. Yeah. And when you provide jobs for people, you yourself, your produce, your market is going to help fight what? You're going to fight famine. You're going to fight people looking for food and going to buy food from another country. And our government, please invest in small-scale industries. Small-scale industries are very good. If let me say, a person is having an idea, let me say a politician, you have enough money. Why don't you think of establishing maybe like an industry that will be producing, that will be packaging. It will be packaging, maybe let me say coffee. Packaging, just anything that is productive. Because those industries, if we invest in small scale industries and we start opening up industries, people are going to get jobs. That is still a way we are providing jobs to people. I don't know if I've missed any, but all I can say.
Yeah, there's something which I want to add about the stewardship. You talk about stewardship, but you didn't dig more. I want to just go there a bit. In a stewardship, what this one can go for, basically to our region, that these people who are working with the NGOs, our boys, our fathers, our brothers who are working with the NGOs, please, in stewardship, the money which you get, be a good stewardship. Use in the right way. Because in a company, you can't work for the rest of your life. It's work with a contract. If your contract is over and you did not save any other money, you send your children in first school, that's good, and you do not have any business, and others, some of you are good, they are managers in these companies. You did not open even a company, and you are using the money. Sometimes you can get like 1,000 USD, either 500, either 800, but you didn't have even open a business.
Yes, poor budget.
You did not save even a money in a bank. You are not
Just being
good.
ignorant.
You are not steward. You are not good steward. Please, let's be stewardship, and we use the money which we get. We do a good things. We open a business. We open something so that to employ these our people who are down.
Okay.
So that's something what I want to add there.
Okay, thank you so much, Perezako. Well, our dear parents, please let's stop this mentality that immediately your child is done with senior 4, your child is done with campus, you just sit. Some of you have connections. You have connections with big people and they can help your children. So don't just sit down. No. Stop being ignorant. You're going to just add on poverty. You're growing old, you're going to start benefiting from your child and you don't want to connect your child. If you have connections, help your child out. Because that same child is the one who is going to what? It's going to feed you, it's going to clothe you, So in that way, we can eradicate poverty. Well, in other forms, the government should also invest in people who have ideas. Invest in people who have ideas, people who have groups. Like, people think big, yes, they do. But if the government is not promoting that mindset that once you work hard, because we have a saying that hard work plus determination minus
Equals
laziness is equals to
success.
success. We should have that at the back of our minds, mostly the youth. Do not invest your money in things like alcohol, in prostitutes. Do not. You will regret. Learn to save at least 10% of your salary. At least save. I'm saying this out because you're not supposed to cry. Imagine you've been working with an organization, and then you've been earning $1,000 USD in a month, and then suddenly you lose your job. You've not saved anything. What are you going to do? Where will you start from when you don't have money in your saving? Please, we should save. And we should also share ideas. Do not sit on your knowledge. Share knowledge. You're going to be a good steward when you share knowledge. Thank you for logging in. We love you so much. This is Golden TV. Don't forget to log into our YouTube pages, our TikTok, Facebook as usual, and also other medias. We love you so much. See you.
Bye. This Golden Mark TV fighting to reduce poverty in our communities. Stay tuned.
Bye.